Washington, as Americans struggled Monday to make sense once again of the mass shootings plaguing the United States, President Trump sought to steer the national conversation to questions about the mental capacity of those pulling the triggers, not the weapons themselves. Mr. Trump, who has presented himself since his presidential campaign as a strong supporter of the Second Amendment's right to bear arms, weighed in from Asia hours after a man clad in black, wearing a ballistic vest and armed with a military-style rifle, mowed down parishioners in a small-town church in Texas, killing 26 and injuring many more. "I think that mental health is your problem here," Mr. Trump told reporters at a news conference in Japan, the first stop on his 12-day overseas trip. Based on preliminary reports, the gunman in Sutherland Springs, Texas, was a very deranged individual, he said. "We have a lot of mental health problems in our country, as do other countries. But this isn't a guns situation," Mr. Trump added. "I mean, we could go into it, but it's a little bit soon to go into it. But fortunately, somebody else had a gun that was shooting in the opposite direction, otherwise it would have been, as bad it would have been much worse. But this is a mental health problem at the highest level. It's a very, very sad event."